So things are starting to take shape in this Mix for Live device, which updates the clip color and name based on various things that we select. Just like the last video, I'm not going to do an overview of what we've covered already. You need to watch the previous ones because I just want to jump straight in here. So we got the clip name happening and we got the color stuff happening. Now let's kind of tidy this up a little bit. So let's put all this stuff down here. This is the clip name stuff. We'll bring it over here. We can get rid of this. So let us create a comment box with set $1, and that will take the content from here, which has too many things at the moment. We only want to have 3 things in our pack, which is the BPM. I'll change the BPM to a integer. We'll make a float just so people can specify BPMs in odd styles, so 180, etc. And the key, let's use a live menu and let's change the values to C, D, E, F, G, A, B. We'll do the flats as well. C, D, flat. I usually work in flats. C, D flat, D, E flat, E, F, G flat, G, A flat, A, B flat, B, C, D flat, D, E flat, E, F, G, E flat, E, F, G flat, G, A flat, A, B, B flat, B. Okay. And then we will have a live text. Which we will have a live tab, sorry. So a live tab. And the values here will just be mine mage. So we're going to need another pack. We're going to need a combine list and list. So item symbol, let's feed that in here. So if we were to go D major, minor, we need to also set a triggers point for that first or that second inlet. So triggers 1, D major, F, maybe I need to set triggers 0, 1, C minor, major, B flat, major, B flat, minor. Okay, so that's all good, and that needs to go into this pack here. We should probably change this to a live number box too, just for consistency's sake. So this needs to go here. This needs to, the range will go from 20 to 999. You never know. And this needs to be floating point. So people can change the BPM here. This needs to be set to a floating point as well. Are people really going to be using... You know what, I'm going to make this an integer, and if people complain, we'll change it to a float. Floating point means having a decimal place. There we go, and then we can choose the key, and then this of course is the track name stuff. Okay, so that comes out of a pack, and I want this comment box to take it. This is what the user sees. We need to do another to symbol here. Get that in there. And then the color of this man, I'm starting to get tired here. Background color will be, what did I call that? Global color, I think I called the receive global color. I'm going to sneeze, hold on, allergy season. Muted the mic just in time. I'm so kind. Right. So the global color comes in here. We'll do another receive global color, and we need to append 1 for the alpha channel. That goes in here. So let's see if that works. That's working. We also need to, just for consistency's sake, we need to also set the text color. How do I set the text color? Text color. So remember before, for the I need to grab that accumulation device from one of these. So this determines whether the collection of the RGB values is more than 1.5, in which case it will change the color to black. We're just getting a little bit messy here. So let's bring this down here. I will do a tidy up of this in a second. Oh, we don't need that. Receive global color. So we also need to do another receive global color up here. So let's see if this works. We need to connect these to here. So there's the white text, there's the black text. Okay, good. I'm going to get rid of this, because this is only going to happen when people are okay with how this looks. So let's put in a big button. We'll go live text. We're going to call this, I'm going to make it a button. We're going to call it set now. I need to put those in quotations. Set now. Very good. And I'll send this to a send, which is called set now. Because I want people to be able to get a preview of what the new clip's going to look like. And then when they click set now, it does it. So the receive for set now would be here. receive set now. So that's going to bang this. This is going to update the actual clip's name. And we also want one so we do want the global color up here. So this will go into a message box to store the value rather than send it straight away. And then we have the set now, which will bang that into the live object. Oh, I hope this works. Okay. So let's look at the clip in Ableton Live. Here it is here. So I want to change this. I want to change... Actually, let's tidy this up. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll add these things here. You're not letting me select multiple things. There we go. Okay, let's add these to the presentation. Whoa. Well, this is a bit of a mess, isn't it? Okay. So I need to remove all these from the presentation. Now let's just get these across. Excuse me. It is allergy crazy day today. Remove, add to presentation. Let's just deal with these straight away. That comment can go. So let's say here, go away. Here's the name. Here's the BPM. Here's the key, note. Here is the minor or major option. Then we have the preview. Which it will display here. And then we have the set now button. Here. And now let's go and grab our different colors. Add to presentation. I don't know if these are all going to slot on. This is going to be a pop-up window. Just remember that. That'll do for now. Okay. So let's say I want to change my track name to Tom Cosm. It's going to keep banging. That's kind of frustrating. Let's just change it here for now. Tom Cosm, cool track name. Go back to patch. Cool. The BPM is 127. This has not updated. Why not? Okay, I'm going to need to fix that at some stage, but it's slightly frustrating. Test. This is just one phrase with no spaces. Let's try that. There we go. If I can just get in here and bang that. This is stuck on Tom for some reason. Why is that sticking? So this comes through from here. I think I need to put maybe a change object here. ZL change work? I don't know if this works. I'm trying to find an object that won't output the same thing twice. Test. Okay, so the ZL change is good. We'll use that. So this needs to go in between here. So that should allow me. Okay, so now I can retype stuff here. Tom is cool. We're not getting the symbol output, root text from symbol. Okay, maybe I need to remove this. I think I'm going to end the video real soon, and this is all stuff that I'm just, just going to have to spend ages problem solving, because yeah, it's not really that interesting anymore, I reckon. Hello. To symbol. So why are we not getting this full text coming through? So we do need a to symbol. Come on. Okay, that seemed to work. Okay, let's just do one final test. So that's cool. I've changed my track name. I've chosen a BPM. Let's go 124. We'll make it E flat minor. We need to extend this out more. And we'll pick a color. Let's say green. And I'm happy with that. Set now. There it is. Okay. I think I'm going to end this series here. Look forward to the finished product of this in the DJ Mega set when it comes out. Hopefully within... it might even be out by the time this video goes public. I'm not sure. And yeah, I hope you like that Max for Live. I think this is kind of the reason I don't do Max for Live tutorials that much, is because there's so much trial and error and ways to go about things. And, you've probably gotten a bit of an insight into how I use it and how I work with it. So, I mean, if you're following along and enjoying it, that's awesome. Anyway, see ya.